looks like it's time for a first startup. All right, let's get this thing unplugged. Go ahead, bro. Now we finna start this baby up. It should have a cold start delete, so it should be loud and it should quiet right down. And here we go, guys. It's tune day. 800 horsepower. Got the laptop plugged in. Sorry for the wind, guys. We have the team viewer here. And we got it plugged into the OBD2 port. Oh yeah. We also modded the buttons, the M1 and M2 buttons, and the start button. And we're ready to get the tune. He's gonna remotely tap into my computer via team viewer, and he's gonna do everything on his own. So once that gets started, I'm gonna show you guys what he's gonna do remotely from New Jersey. And again, this is a DME tune from DMEtuning.com, stage 3 for the BMW M6 F06 chassis, 2016. All right, guys, we're officially tuning. And here we go. Horsepower is on its way. It's starting diagnostic session, meaning it's gonna go around the ECUs in the car, fuel pump, you know, go through both of the computers, make sure everything is working and synchronized with each other before it puts the tune on it. You know, it's just a safety precaution. And it's gonna erase the old memory blocks to put the new tune file on. But we already saved the old factory tune in a folder over here he made that says DME Tuning down here at the bottom, right below DME Tuning iFlash. So time remaining is 1% done. This is gonna take a while, guys, so I'm not gonna let you guys sit through this, but soon as it's done, I'm gonna let you guys see what's going on, hear the difference, feel the difference. We're gonna get a couple of pulls in, a couple of exhaust clips, and we're gonna go from there. Just finished uploading the tune, switch the ignition off, and it's all right. It say everything is done. And this is the guy here, DME Tuning. Hey Mo, what's going on? Alright, I'm turning it back on right now. Alright, it's back on. All right, thanks a lot, Mo. I really appreciate it. I'll be calling you soon to retune the 650 for me. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, the tune is all done. He checked the trouble codes, no trouble codes. So, looks like it's time for a first startup. All right, let's get this thing unplugged. Go ahead, bro. Now we finna start this baby up. It should have a cold start delete, so it should be loud and it should quiet right down. Yep, cold start delete right on there. That means the tune is definitely on. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this truck moved out the way, and we're gonna get a couple of passes and exhaust clips. to the camera. What you guys think about those hard pulls and exhaust revs? Sounds pretty good, right? That's the work of those Catless downpipes in the DME Stage 3 tune. Sorry, I do apologize if it was a lot of wind noise, guys, because I mean it's not a lot of places in my area where I could actually go around and do hard pulls and exhaust revs without the authorities kind of wigging out. So I do apologize for any wind noise. But a problem we did have with this car, since it does have the Stage 3 tune on it, the spark plugs will need to be changed. This car has the original M6 spark plugs as of now, but we ordered the, I'm going to give you the part number here. It's the NGK SILZK BR8D8S. And that's a, I think, 2 steps colder from the stock spark plugs. It's actually the same spark plugs I have in my 650, and that has a Stage 2 tune on it. But what we did though is we gapped the factory spark plugs in here now to 0.020, you know, so they could, you know, try to keep up with the tune a little bit until the new spark plugs come in we ordered. But I mean, if you get on it way too hard, it's gonna throw a misfire code because of the spark plugs just can't keep up with it. So I mean, other than that, it runs great. We ordered a methanol injection kit for it, and also a, well, one for this one. And my 650 is also going meth injection, 100% meth, not none of that boost juice garbage. 100% meth we're gonna run because the tunes are actually built for 100% meth. And also we're gonna do a 90-degree thermostat kit on this car that you can buy from ECS Tuning. I have that same thermostat kit on my car, and I drive it here in Florida all day. You know, I get on it a lot, and the temperatures never peak, oil nor water. So that's what we have in store for this car next. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and Auto Lust out.